Hi, I'm Jesse with Metroline Direct. In this video, I will be showing the Polycom Real Presence Trio 8800, and we'll be talking about adding it onto a hosted provider account, such as RingCentral. A big requirement for RingCentral and some other hosted providers is that the device have what's called a factory installed device certificate. So I'm just going to show you in the menu here real quick that this phone does have the factory installed device certificate. Okay, let's take a look. So the first thing I'm going to do is press Settings and then select Status and then Platform and then Phone. Scroll down to the bottom, and right here I see Device Certificate Factory Installed. And that's a big requirement for RingCentral and some of the other SIP providers. They're going to want you to have a device certificate factory installed on your Polycom phone. And I can just press the Home button at the bottom to exit back to the home screen. That's our video for today. I hope it helped you out. If so, please let us know by clicking the like button at the bottom of the page. We appreciate that. And if you'd like to see more videos from us, click the subscribe button at the bottom. Thanks for joining us.